So I want to show you how you can edit your photos with the iPhone editing app in about 3 seconds. I'm not kidding. That's literally how long it takes to dramatically change your photos. It's really quick and easy, and it's perfect if you're out and about taking photos and you want to upload something really quickly to Instagram or Facebook or text it to somebody. I see a lot of people that think that they don't have time to do edits before they shoot their photos off, and I don't think that's true because everybody has 3 seconds. So I just want to show you this. We're only going to make 2 edits to each of these photos, and I tried to pick a diverse set of photos so that you can see the dramatic effects that it will have on different types of photos. Now, it won't work for everything. If your photo is really dark, then you might have difficulty using this method, but for 90% of your photos, I think that this is really going to help. Okay, so we'll just start with the first one. Because I work in Antarctica, we have to have a penguin, even though I shot this one in New Zealand. So what we're going to do is click on edit, and the 2 edits that we're going to make are contrast. I really want him to pop out, so I'm going to boost that really high. And then the next thing we're going to do is go to the filters. I think that the iPhone has really great filters. I just think that they do a tremendous job, and they can totally change the look of your photo. I really like the cool filters, especially with the ocean water there. And now if we just tap on the photo, it will show us the before and the after. Before and after. And you can see what a dramatic difference that makes. It's just cleaner and brighter, and it definitely has more contrast, obviously, because that's the tool that we're using, but I just think it looks so much better before and after. We'll go to our next photo. Here's a little tiny hedgehog, a little baby hedgehog that I saw in New Zealand as well. And so we're going to boost the contrast. I don't want to do it too much on this one because he's quite dark. There are a lot of dark things in this photo, and I don't want to lose his eye. So we'll just do a little bit, and then we'll move on to the filters. And because these leaves, it was in the fall, are pretty yellowy orange in real life, I think we'll use this warm filter. And then there's the before and the after. And you can see how it just really pulls together the look of your photo. And depending on your style and what you like, you know, you're going to come up with your own favorite filters. I really like Dramatic Cool is actually my favorite filter, but it's not appropriate for this photo. So we'll stick with the Vivid Warm, maybe just back that off a touch. And yeah, before and after. Before and after. I really like that. I know these are taking a little bit longer than 3 seconds because I'm talking so much, but I'll show you on the next one, 3 seconds. Before and after. Before and after. And I actually might want to do warm on this because it was actually, the hills were fairly yellow. There's before and after. It really is that quick. Here's our next one. I love using this on city photos because it works really well. So we're just going to really punch up the contrast. I don't care about skies because when they're boring blue, see how it's just straight blue? I don't care. I don't care if it goes to white. And then I think the vivid looks really good. We might go to the cool because these are my favorite. Let's try Dramatic Cool. Oh yeah, I really like that. But this is kind of my style. Before and after, and look at the difference. And it's so fast and so easy. Click done. And here we are in our last photo. So we'll go over to contrast. Boost the contrast. I shot this photo at about midnight, so it was quite dark. So I'm fine with it coming down to really dark look to it because that's what it really felt like. So there's our before and our after. And there you go. That's a really quick way in about 3 seconds that you can edit your photos using contrast and then throw a filter on. And don't overdo it with either one of those. You really can overdo it, but used effectively and with just enough, you can really make your photos look great in a very short amount of time. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you have any comments, put it in the link below, and I will see you in the next video.